You need mushrooms, peas, basmati rice, jeera seeds or cumin seeds, a big Spanish onion or 2 wee onions would do just fine if you've not got one. First get a pot, bang it onto the gas. That's to make sure if there's any rats or beasties creeping about, it'll frighten them off. Then turn the gas on, put a wee bit of oil in there. Add your chopped up mushrooms. Oh, here, I'll give you. Then add the onions chopped, your big mad Spanish onion. I know, it's too much onion. Right. Right, you want to sizzle that up for a bit. I think I'm actually going to put that in a bigger pot. That's just a bit too wee. Oh, don't want it stuck in there. Again, sizzle up a bit. I think sauteing it is what they call it. Usually you do this until you see the onions turn a bit translucent. I don't usually go that far because I like my onions to maintain the crispiness. Right, next we need some peas. Probably about a cup of peas or something, but just tell you, frozen peas is perfect for this. That's it. Stir it up a bit. Next, we want to get a cup of rice. Get a good cup of rice and throw it in the bin. We were throwing that in the bin because it makes you feel rich and carefree. Then you can enjoy your meal better. Then get another cup of rice. The size of the cup doesn't matter at all. You just get a cup, get rice, and there you go. Throw it in. Then you want 3.5 cups of water. 1, 2, 3.5. Then we need 2 teaspoons of salt. Good teaspoons. There you go. Then we're going to need 2 tablespoons of Jeera seeds. You can find these Jeera seeds anywhere nowadays. Right, what we do is you get 2 good tablespoons like that. Add them in. Get a wee stir. Now we need to find the lid off that pot. Oh, I have no idea. We'll just use it. Aye, that's the right lid, I think. So cover it, bring it to the boil, and now you want to simmer it. Basmati rice normally takes about 10 minutes to cook, so about 10 minutes should do that. But what it is, keep coming in and checking it and make sure the water's not all gone. Also, just taste a wee bit of rice, make sure it's turned soft. If the water's almost gone and the rice is still brick hard, just add in half a cup of water into it. Now that's what it looks like when it's finished. And the smell is fantastic.